Welcome to this task. This is number 8 in the course that is an introduction course for the teachers. In this course we are going to talk about how to use the private files area in the system. And I talked about before, you can use this both on the web interface but also on the mobile phone. So what we're going to do is to test the two things so you can see how it works. On the web, the student and teachers, they can just click on this and it will tell them their limit, how much space they have available, and then they can delete files from here if they want. They can drag and drop new files, or they can click to upload a new file if they. Let's just try to upload this file, batteries, and now the file is uploaded. So that's how you do it on the PC. Now let's see how the same thing works on the mobile phone. So I will switch over to the mobile phone, and I'm now logged in as the student, and I have my available courses here on a long list. You have some different menu points. If you click, for example, on this one, you have something called files. That will show the one file that you have, and you can also download it if it was. Then you can add files here, and it asks what is it that you want to add. Is it from your photo album? Do you want to take a picture? Do you want to do audio, video, or any file on your phone? So in this case I will say audio, and it will open and I can start recording. So this is a test recording from my mobile device that I'm going to upload into my files. Stop. And I say done, and it's uploading. So this voice, that could have been like an interview that I made that was a part of a task that I had to do, for example. So let us go back to it takes some time to upload from here. So I have to leave this page, and then I can see that I have my recording here in my files that I just did on the phone. So how are you going to use these files? Well, let's do an example here. I will just click it from here. So I go into period 1. I go into task number 2. You read the file. There are some reading files. You can download all the files. And then there is an assignment down here that we are going to try. So I will add a submission, and as we talked about before, the student can write here in online text, or they can drop a file here. And in this situation you can click add file, and then you can go to private files, and there you will have the files that you could then attach. You can rename it if it was to proper name, task 2, for example, and you can select it. And now this file has been added into my assignment, and I can save changes. As soon as I do that, it's still in draft, and now I could submit my my assignment with a file that I uploaded via the mobile phone to my private files area. So that's how you use this, and that's how you actually can include those files inside some of the tasks that you're doing. Okay, that was it for this task, and see you in the next one.